Sales is the heart of total quality logistics.
Being a broker is pretty much one of the most important jobs in today's supply chain.
If you are a problem solver, quick decision maker, and you have the drive for financial freedom, you can experience life-changing opportunities as a sales representative.
It's a lifestyle, a 24/7, 365, a non-stop hustle.
You'll be tasked with building your own book of business, and you'll be handling all your customers' transportation needs while providing excellent customer service every step of the way.
We operate under a single point of contact, so everything starts with you.
We have a 26-week paid training program that will get you ready to go and teach you everything that you need to know.
We will give you all the resources you need to be successful.
You can take your career at TQL wherever it is that you want to go. You just have to be willing to put in that work in order to get it there.
What I enjoy most about my day-to-day life as a broker here is being able to communicate with customers, close new business, and provide a service that they don't see every day.
And actually 75% of our sales leadership is promoted from within. Look, at the end of the day, your primary focus is to exceed your customers' expectations in whatever capacity that might be.
I have seen people from all different backgrounds succeed here because when they got started, all they really needed were the qualities they had when they walked in the door.
Join our sales team because we want you to succeed here at TQL.